1985 Honda Shadow Bobber. Just put a new motor in it. Last video was running really rich. Took it on the forum's advice to set the air fuel screws out at 3.5. It was way too rich. I ended up sending them back at stock setting, which is 2 1/4. I did have it running a little bit ago, so it is warm. So we'll go ahead and fire it up. It's still on choke. Still on choke. Might still be a little cold as far as wrapping the throttle. But got everything back together again. Just had the pipes welded yesterday. See there. Had them welded up. I still got to finish painting the front end. I'm going to paint the tins too. Think about going with burnt copper. Either burnt copper or graphite gray. Both satin, no shiny shit. Unfortunately, it's the best camera I got, and it really doesn't do the pipes justice to how deep and throaty this thing really sounds. See if we can take it off choke. See if she'll take a wrap or not. Still not entirely sure if the carburetors are adjusted correctly or not. I might have to sync them. And this bike hasn't run in 3 years. As you can see, I put mechanical chokes on it, got rid of the cable-driven chokes. They're just a pain in the ass when the cables go bad. Temp gauge is still on the cold mark. But I'll get the fine tuning of it done. Might have to put a bracket down on those pipes to stop it from vibrating. Put lights on it, turn signals and brake light. Been a labor of love and hate. There we go. Yeah, she was still cold. Guys, I think I'm going to kill this video and take it for a ride around the park here.